I heard someone say lately that meal prep is just making a whole bunch of food in advance that you aren't going to want to eat when you finally get around to it. Well, this salad is not that. It's lemony. It's kind of fancy with artichokes, but still totally affordable. Believe me, you're going to want to make some time to make this salad. You're going to love this recipe. It's literally super easy. First, we're going to take our chickpeas and we're going to dump them in the bowl. Then we're going to take our artichoke hearts. Guess what? In the bowl. Sliced sweet onion. You're getting the gist, right? Everything just goes in the bowl. This is as uncomplicated as it gets. All the cilantro or whatever herb you're using. You know what? This would probably also be amazing with mint if you want it. If you're not a cilantro person, come on, get on the bus. Cilantro is amazing. If you're using a lemon, take a couple extra seconds and use the zest. This is where all the flavor is hiding out. Fresh garlic. Fresh minced garlic. My brain is smushing on me right now. Let's talk about perimenopause in another video and the brain fog. So good. Last, we're squeezing in the juice of 2 lemons. I just use my hands. You can use a fancy contraption. I catch the seeds as I go. But honestly, if you get a seed in there, it's not going to kill you. Like, no one's going to bite into it and be like, oh God, you're a terrible cook. Look at that lemon seed in there. Total judgment. Or maybe they will. But that's awesome because then those weirdos are self-identifying and you can hang out with them less if you want. So fun. It's like a twofer. You get a delicious salad and you get to find out who are the high maintenance people in your life. The grapeseed oil. And I'm going to hold off on the salt because actually when I made my garlic paste, I put a little bit of coarse sea salt in there to use as I rub the back of my knife on it. It makes it a little bit abrasive and gives you a finer paste. So it's already been seasoned just a little bit and I don't want to go too far. Because I'm a hands-on kind of gal, I like to put my hands all over it. But you can use 2 spoons if you're feeling particularly classy. Fun story, today my youngest kid had a sleepover and he said, why is there so much hair all over everything? Yeah, we have 2 Aussies. It's just kind of how it goes here. But if you live in a house without pets or you're a little bit more meticulous, you probably won't have Aussie hair in your food. That might actually make it taste worse. I can't confirm because their hair is literally everywhere. So now we've mixed it all up. My fingers are covered in all of the things. If I wasn't on camera, would definitely be licking them. Maybe I will anyways. Just pause the video briefly. And you end up with a salad that looks kind of like this, depending on the bean that you're using. And now, of course, the all-important taste test. This salad's so good. And like I said, it'll last in the fridge for a good long time. I am going to go in with a little bit more salt because salt brings out all the flavors of everything yummy. There's no recipe for this, just until it tastes so you like it. And that's it, friends. Make this to impress your family. Plate it really pretty, but make it. It's so good, and it's the perfect summer salad to take to pretty much anything. Okay, here's the real test. I actually put it in a bowl instead of leaving it in a, reusable container in the fridge or in a jar or whatever, because you know what? Eating beautiful food in beautiful plates is kind of awesome. So good. In fact, my husband is over there eating it right now. Let me know what you think in the comments.